Have a holly jolly Christmas. XOXO, Gossip Girl.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year to set me
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to head to the city. Like, I have a little bestie day with my best friend, and we're about to lounge in the city because they have holiday markets and, you know, a lot of stuff going on in the holidays. So we have a little bestie date going on. I chilled my hair a little bit. That smells so good. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the city because I gotta go get shit trained. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the city. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now she can be back on the camera because our hair's done. But yeah, we're at Union Square Holiday Market. They close it soon though, but it's fine. Yeah, some of them not. I don't think everybody goes there. I wanted to move. Spicy tea. This one is different from Ryan Park. So yeah, we have the we have the market, and you know they have a lot of shops there and stuff. One and oh, this is cute. 1 million roses. Oh, they got a Metro card. That's cute. Camera. The love. What's that lady name again? Yeah, her. Ruth, yeah. It's crazy how we could make it out that's her. These are so cute. 1 million roses.
I'm the Grinch. They tried it. Oh, Christmas trees. This is cute. And on Santa right here. Oh, they better have that. Oh, they got my favorite. They got a cute one. Oh, I didn't see that. These are all Christmas. Decorations. I didn't see that.
¿No?
I'm not chocolate, it's different. Like that. Oh, they cool things too. Got to what's this again? Hudson Yards, where the lights are. It is so freaking pretty. Look at that. All right, look at this girl. Look like Kevin. I'm looking around. You look like Kevin. You know who Kevin is? You know who Kevin is? You don't know who Kevin is. You know who Kevin is. You know who Kevin is?
I'm not lost. I'm from New York. Just looking around.
Exactly. Now you got what I was trying to say. She's not here looking so mesmerized by the lights, but mind you, she don't like Christmas. Supposedly. Supposedly. Whatever. Oh, yeah, it's pretty. But she's standing here looking like lost in New York.
Me dijo para ir a una fiesta y yo compré el ticket que estaba como $250. Yo compré el ticket.
I think we should go to.
It's the views from me. Look at the trees here. Oh, by the thing? Yes. I think this one is a bigger one. Yeah, I think it's a bigger one. I don't know why I wore this coat, but it's not even.
You look nice,
out
best
here.
friend.
Thank you, bestie. And it's hot.
Look at that, mama.
Period. So I got on stuff some ripped jeans with this red sweater from Fashion Nova, and my case pin bag. One of my gifts from her for my birthday, and this coat. I bought this one. Where I got this one again? I think Fashion Nova, like
Primark.
Boohoo.
Yeah.
So I got this one like 3 years ago. It's still going strong. I want to wear it this time of year. So yeah, the OOTD. I look real cute. I like it. What do you think? Rate me out of.
You look cute.
You said, you said you know I was not sneaking. Girl, remember you live here, so I know why would you say that. Now, when you said the city, why the city not sinking? You live.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant the entire New York City.
Yes. That's what I meant.
But you don't mean Brooklyn and Brooklyn. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're about to go inside. We're headed in the shops now. I just got done taking some pictures for some strangers. Leave it up to me to be doing that.
We saw them struggling
Yeah, we saw them struggling and
fighting
it
back
was a
and
mom.
forth.
Yeah, it was a mom and a daughter. And she's like 22.
Yeah.
She's really young. She's like, Mom, you gotta get the angles. Mom don't know nothing about the angles.
If we didn't
So, you know,
help,
I had to step in.
they'd still be there.
Right, I had to step in. So, you know, she was like, oh my God. I took a picture of her. The very first picture. The first picture I took of her. She was like, oh my God, on the first try. Oh my God. She was like, you should get paid for this. Yeah, I know. So we might go get some Shake Shack. That's the plan. I'm hungry.
Bruh.
This place is decorated so pretty. Like, I know y'all saw it in the montage, but this video don't do it justice. Yeah, the decorations is A1. It's top tier. Like, it's my favorite holiday. But my mom passed. It's been hard the holidays, but I try my best to stay positive and be like in the moment when it comes to Christmas, when it comes to the holidays since then. But yeah, I was like, I have to come out here today and do something. Yeah, because it's the holidays, I don't want to be depressed and like, you know, sad and lonely and all that stuff. So yeah, like I have to get out the house and do things, especially during the holidays. We didn't get no food in here, but by the time we went to Shake Shack, the place was like, it was closed by the time we went to Shake Shack, so we didn't eat nothing in here. And I wanted to try Magnolia's Bakery. I saw it on Instagram a few times. I'm like, I wanna try it. It's a banana pudding, but the way they do it is just like the banana pudding was sold out. I'm like, damn. So I gotta try it another day. Yeah. So now I'm about to go to I don't know how to say that word. I don't know how to say that restaurant, but I'm putting it on screen, and we want to go there and get a Christmas drink or whatever. It's about, what time is it? Okay, 7:43. Yeah, so it's about 8 o'clock right now. So yeah, we're gonna head to that restaurant. Not necessarily get food. I just want to get a drink, so they have like a real Christmassy drink. So I want to get one of those, and that'll be it for the night. So yeah. Menu eye. There it is. Like I'm so close. Same song, girl. I'm on camera. So we're here. It's really cute in here. It's like real cute in here. We had how you say? Svita. I don't know how to say it, but he said it real. Y'all, he is fine. Fine man. He the owner. He's fine too. Okay. Wait, why is it so blurry? Yeah, it's a presentation. Presentation is cheers. This is an ornament drink. I'm gonna try it now. And since we got the snow angel.
This table 3.
It's good. I gotta see what's in there. But this is really good. Like, nah, this drink is good though. I gotta see what's in mine. I'll put on the screen exactly what was in mine, but this one is really, really good. I like mine. Taste it. Taste yours, taste mine. Wait. This is mad big. Okay, we'll taste each other's big. I like this. I'm giving this drink a 10 out of 10. This thing tastes mad good. What you give yours? 10 out of 10? And you're not really a drinker. But I like how yeah, but then oh, because it's not much. Man, Christmassy stuff. This place is decorated to the god. Yo, their drinks are exquisite. Like this is like I think it's like $25. 25? I don't know. So I was supposed to pour it out. I'm here drinking out the ornament. See, well, you're not used to things, but it's so cute. Look at it now. Ooh, this place is so cute. I'm trying to like show y'all as much as I can because I don't want to put people in the video, but okay, yeah. It's so cute in here. It's decorated to the gods, okay? So I just got back from the restaurant. That place was so like beautifully decorated. Like oh, so the name of the restaurant, the owner guy told me because I asked him. It's called Svita. I think I'm saying it right. He was really nice, and he said he's the owner and he named the restaurant after his mom. I'm like, oh. It's a European restaurant, but I didn't ask him where Europe is from. I didn't ask. I should have asked, but I didn't. But that man is fine. Okay, that man. Whew. That man is fine. Okay, I'm like, and he was OD flirting with me. Okay, so when we got there, we had to wait outside when we got there or whatever. So he came outside. He was like, he has a table in 15 minutes, but he's gonna check at the bar. I said, a table at the bar is fine. Like if you don't have a table, like dining area or whatever. And baby, I don't know if it was the accent. I don't know if because he had his little shirt unbuttoned, the tattoo was showing. I don't know. Mind you, I'm not into tattoos. Like I don't care for that. But that man is fine. Okay, that ain't a Caucasian. Yeah, it's a Caucasian man. When we finished, he came over to us and he was like, "Oh, thank you for." I was like, "No, thank you for accommodating us," because he made sure that he found a seat for us or whatever. I was like, "Oh, I'll be back." He was like, "Oh yeah, for sure." Like he's like, "I'm here every day." I was like, "Oh, you here every day?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Oh, okay, I'll be back." I'll be back. He was definitely good eye candy for the night. He sure was. But I'm definitely going back there. I rate that place 10 out of 10 so far with the drinks, decor. Because it's Christmas, so he really did go with that. Like, it's my favorite holiday, so I definitely was gonna I had to go there. I saw it on Instagram. I found out it was on Instagram, of course. Like, I'm not only out Vivid TikTokers. So I didn't find it on TikTok, I found it on Instagram, and I'm like, I definitely have to go there because the drinks was like mad creative, and as y'all saw, they have a lot of options. They had a lot of options. Even how they give you the check, it was mad creative. Like, he gave it to you in a whole book and you gotta open it. Like, that was mad creative. I'm a Gemini, so anything creative catches me, like, you know. But yeah, I'm about to turn in for the night. I'm tired. I'm a little tipsy. Cause like I said, that drink, yeah, y'all see my eyes? I'm about to just go relax, wind down for the rest of the night. Merry Christmas, guys. So I'm at my dad's. I can't say my morning has been great. The holidays is gonna be always hard for me because my mom is no longer here. It's definitely tough, and I definitely had a moment this morning, and like leading up, like whenever her birthday comes around and then the holidays, it's just like my mood is just, yeah, a shift in my mood. I try to stay above it and stay positive, but it's not easy, y'all. It's really not. My morning wasn't great at all. Like, I was in my feelings. I was in my mood. I was missing my mom like extra today. Like, the holidays is always gonna be an issue, I know that, but it's just like, I don't think I'll ever get used to that at all. That's not something to get used to. Yeah, if you ever lose a parent and it's like the holiday season, do what you gotta do to get through it. Cry, scream, whatever, pray, do whatever you gotta do. I definitely had my moment in the morning, and I came to my dad's house a little later on. So I'm here now, and we're about to finally have dinner. And then I have some gifts to open, so I'm gonna open that with y'all. There's something to open. There's something to share, I'm gonna share. If not, I'm gonna just keep it to myself. But I'm gonna show y'all my gifts, what I got. I did my hair. I changed my hair. I did it today. Literally before I came to my dad's house, I did it. So I'm still learning. I wasn't gonna do a side part, but I'm like, let me do a side part because I'm tired of middle parts, honestly. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I might change it for New Year's or just keep it. I'm not sure, but I'm feeling it. Even though I like the side part and how it looks with the baby hairs, I'm gonna try to start doing my wig installs without the baby hairs, because even though it's not always a baby hair situation, but yeah. So I got this is my sweater. This is my Merry, almost in the light. This is my Merry Christmas sweater that I got from Shein, of course. Yeah, so I'm about to go eat now, and I'm gonna see you guys later on. I'm gonna see you guys after when I'm showing you all my gifts. But yeah, I'm about to go eat some food. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
Auntie, how you do this again, man?
Put off for tonight? Put off for tonight?
Yeah. Oxtail. Oxtail, that's a one.
I like this. My brother got me these. Yes, thank you, brother.
I know you like to eat like a refreshing drink.
Yes.
You pour it in.
I love this. And I got earpods. Mom, what is this? What is this? Is the one with the volume? I don't know. Okay, I'm opening.
That's more money.
I got this, some AirPods. This is cute. Oh, I was gonna put it in.
Oh, pony.
Pony. I'm with this is a better horse.
My horse. Ride my horse.
You ride my pony.
Yo. Yeah, I got stuff.
Tyro, we passed that artist.
Not the first time.
I was so weak. I was like, nah.
This is messing up with all them damn foil pen on the floor.
Nigga. Welcome to a Jamaican household. Niggas don't know what minimalist is.
Oh boy.
Oh damn, this one broke. Poor baby. We could save you. Cause this kind of sassy. Cause the nigga know how to put some flowers together. My aunt ain't know how to get. She masculine. Cause my aunt ain't know how to put this.
You said she masculine.
Is she too masculine? Cause she didn't know? Like.